What are we gonna talk about today? I don't know, just yeah, forget about it. Let's play some Shotgun Fun Fun. Ooh. Ooh. I'm a beginner at this game, so like, let me try something. Oh crap! I'm gonna try to make it to at least 500 kills. Might not try to camp, but I probably have to, so yeah. Oh, goodness. I hate to camp. Gotta do it once. At least once. Yeah, I'm gonna be making more Call of Duty videos. More Black Ops 2. So, yeah. Hope you like this video. I'd appreciate it. I'd be appreciated. I'd appreciate me. I'll watch your videos. I'll probably give it a like. Watch mine. You know. Just chilling, shooting zombies. Chilling, shooting zombies. Getting them zombies. Getting them zombies. Ba-da-da-dun-dun-dun-dun. Ba-da-da-dun-dun-dun-dun. Shooting those zombies. Getting those zombies. I miss a zombie. There is a zombie. Da-da-da-da-dun-dun-dun-dun. Da-da-da-da-dun-dun-dun-dun. Holy crap. Miss. Oh. Oh my god. Yeah. Dude, I'm supposed to be getting a Roxio Gamer, I think, sooner or later. I'm trying to get the HD Pro, make the HD looks better, the quality, everything, the sound, so yeah. Oh god, it's falling down. No! 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 I wasn't supposed to die on that. No. No. No.
I know you want to go look at the video. Where was it?
Oh god, I missed it.
Can you play online?
No. Can you please close the door?
For what?
Yeah, now I see why I wish I lived by myself or something. Even though I'm only a teenager. Not old enough. Sucks.
You don't use your code for that.
I'm making a video. I don't want no noise.
Oh.
God.
I found that I would make somebody in the car class is smarter than you. Not smarter than you like that, but
Making a video, get it. Yes, I said it 100 times. Oh, wow, that was a fail. Oh, he missed me. Quick scope. Oh, I'm gonna try to make up my own thing called a quick scope on here. I'm gonna try it.
Are you gonna put it on YouTube?
Oh, hold up. Oh, I actually got one. That was boss. Oh, I really suck. I'm just gonna wiggle the mouse around fast as I can. I hope I get a shot. Hold up. Oh, I tried. No. Please. No, I'm dead. That's it. 2%. Oh, I'm dead. 2 life. 2% of life. Okay. Oh, I actually hit it. Hold up. Oh, I killed one. Oh, that was boss. Here we go. Oh, I got one trick shot. Hey, I think I figured out a glitch on here. Thank you. Oh, that's a glitch. Just hop in.
That's a
glitch. I don't know if it is or not. I'm just hopping. Wee. Oh.
Can I play one?
I don't know. I'm gonna try to get one more trick shot. Yes, got it. Got another one. Oh, I got another one. I'm dead. What? How did I make that? Just busting. Just busting. Just busting.
What a glitch.
Oh. Dude, this one sucks.
What's up, YouTubers and subscribers and fans? Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this video.
Dang. Don't mind that. I mean, like, that's my high score. I know. I didn't mean to put it. Wow. I didn't even mean to put it that. I was just playing around one day and I didn't think wow. It goes to show you never play around like that. That's jacked up. See you guys. Love you. Hope you subscribe.
Whoa.
Love you guys in a fan way. Cool people. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, so I hope you like this video and whatever. Just
you don't
comment.
have to say whatever if you want to get, because they're going to be like,